We're doing a forearm plank. Arms are gonna be here. We don't want to clasp, okay? Right here. Do the best you can. If you need to drop your knees, I prefer you to drop your knees for a second versus clasp your ears. All right? We're gonna start. Actually, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and up. Mind over matter right here. Everything tight. Woo! Give yourself some snaps for giving yourself this gift of fitness today. Conquering, pushing through. 20 minutes. 20 minutes for a better you. Let's go. Woo! Keep it up, keep it up. Woo! Focus, focus. We got 15 seconds. You got it. If your knees are down, bring them up, bring them up. Keep those hands apart. You got this. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 pack, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Excellent, excellent, excellent workout.